Hi ladies, this is Jackie with the Scarf Art channel. Thank you for joining me today and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Wanted to share with you some more scarf tying techniques with the Scarf Art scarf vest or with a scarf vest. The thing is, like I've said in past videos, I cannot guarantee that you will get the same results with other scarf vests, only with the Scarf Art scarf vest, because I only know about my own products. And if you're interested in the Scarf Art scarf vest and seeing more, these are $40 and you can get them on the Scarf Art website, which is scarf-art.com. But today I'm going to show you more designs that you can create with the Scarf Art scarf vest. Okay, so this is the Scarf Art scarf vest. We're going to fold it in two, and then we're going to bring it together, ladies. We're going to take it like this, right? And we're going to take one side, make them even pretty much, and take one side, and we're going to put it into a knot pretty much, and we're going to make that one a little small like that. And you can, grab your scarf and try it, or you can order a scarf from our website and try that at the same time. Look at the videos, and that will make it easier for you to remember and to do it, as you try it, tie the scarves with me, pretty much. Okay, so we tie both sides pretty much the same. One is a little bit longer than the other, and what we're going to do is we're going to put one on top of the other. We're going to take the shorter one, and we're going to bring this down so that we're not choking ourselves, right? And we're going to put this on top of that one. Take our rubber band, grab your trusted rubber bands, right? And then we're going to do this. We're going to bring it down. We're going to put this one right above the other knot that we made. And then we're going to put the rubber band around the whole thing at the very top. And I'm going to do that twice. I'm going to put the rubber band around it twice like that, right? And then I'm going to pretty much layer it like this. So you can see that it gives the appearance that it is a layered scarf as opposed to being two knots tied one on top of the other for the most part. So here you go. There you go. And that's how you come up with that particular design. And again, you can wear this design with a jean jacket or with a blazer. And in fact, I'll show you with a jean jacket. Here we go. With the jean jacket here. There. And there. You can layer it there. And put this on with your jeans for a casual look. And again, we're going to pull up our cuff to make a bigger cuff, a wider cuff, which is what I prefer. So there you go with that one here. So with a jean jacket for a casual look, or you can dress it up depending on where you're going. If you're going out to eat, if you're going, if you're on vacation, if your work environment is a business casual environment, that would be a good look as well. And then the other look would be more dressy. I put it with a jacket, this particular jacket here, right? So take that, do that. And you can see what I'm doing. I'm pretty much pulling the colors that are in the scarf into the outfit that I'm choosing. So this is a tweed, a black and white tweed and gray jacket. And then the black and white scarf just kind of pulls out the colors that are in the jacket. And then of course I would put this with a white skirt or black skirt, pencil skirt, or a long skirt. You can also take the scarf and do it like that as well. Have two different looks. So you can do it like that as well. You can wear it like that. So this is the Scarf Art Scarf Vest, which you can find on our website. Many colors, many fabrics for the most part again. And that's just one way that you can wear this particular scarf vest for the most part. Now, again, you can also just take it, right, and not tie two knots, but just tie one knot as opposed to two. I'm going to take this apart. I tie pretty good knots, right? Take that apart and then just put this one on top of this one, a little longer look, right? And then put the, if you want that look, you just take the rubber band again. If you want it higher or lower, take the rubber band again, and you do that, and you do that, right? You can take it, leave some of the scarf in the rubber band, and then just take it and do this. Bring it down a little more, right? Pull that out a little bit too much here. And you have a base for the scarf to lay on for the most part. There, you can do that as well, or you can just, you know, pull the scarf all the way out and just wear it in a long way like that. Just wear it like that. So that's a different way, you know, that you can wear it as well. So this is the Scarf Art Scarf Vest, which can be found on our website, scarf-art.com. Check it out. This particular was featured, the product that's featured is the scarf vest. But of course, we also have pre-tied scarves on our website as well. Check them out and also subscribe to our channel, ladies. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.